If you are tired of getting birthday notifications of your friends on Facebook, then the best thing to do is to go ahead and turn off these birthday notifications. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off birthday notifications of your friends on Facebook. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request your support by just liking and also subscribing to this channel. So to do that, it is quite simple. Just head over to your profile here, shown by your image or your photo, and then tap on it. Now under this, tap on this settings gear. You can see it here. Now if I go ahead and tap on it, we shall enter settings and privacy. Under this, go ahead and scroll down until you get to this section called preferences. Now look for the option called notifications. Now if I go ahead and tap on it, you'll see we have a notifications for birthdays. Now if I tap on birthdays, you can see currently it is allowed on my account, and you can see it by this toggled on button. And you can see I'm currently receiving these notifications of some of my friends who already have birthdays. To turn this off, it is quite simple. Just head over to this and turn it off. So here you're told that if you turn it off, you won't receive these birthday notifications on Facebook, and these will be either by push, email, or SMS. Go ahead and tap turn off, and from here henceforth the notifications will be off on my Facebook account. So that's how you turn off birthday notifications of your friends on your Facebook account. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful to you, kindly support me by liking it and subscribing to this channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.